respected dignitaries on the dais, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great pleasure and honor to address my success story, a long story which is indeed full of ups and downs. Our success, I presume, is due to immense hard work, tenacity, perfection, and persistence. I could convince my sons, who were both abroad and well educated, working in multinationals, to return back to India to join me in this story. We started in a very small scale industry in the 80s, late 80s, a SSI unit near a village Gortan at Khopoli, near Khopoli, where we had hardly 1,000 square feet industrial shed and less than 10 workers. And I'm really proud to say, that today we have more than 50,000 square feet of shed with over 120 workers. Irrespective of infrastructure facilities not there, like roads, power, as well as the other, the labor available. We are today, basically, I would like to show you a bit about our company. We started in a very small way manufacturing heating elements for basically domestic appliances and industrial applications, which are, you can see on the picture. Basically, we were the first ones to manufacture these elements for Philips, for their irons, dry and steam. And both irons were produced in our factory at Khopoli. Thereafter, we were supplying to the Indian defense industry these elements, wherein we had relations with the naval officers who had requested us to manufacture the entire kitchen equipment of the ship, which is called a galley. So we diversified into manufacturing of galleys and accommodation, of course with the help of Mazgaon Dock in the 96 to 2003. And with the help of Naval Headquarters, the Directorate of Naval Architecture and Directorate of Naval Design. These are some of the products which initially we started, like the calorifiers for the Navy, the immersion type of heating elements, the appliance heating elements mainly for domestic appliances, like irons, cookers, ovens, etc. These are other different types of heaters. These are few of our clients. We also developed some heating units for Nuclear Power Corporation, which was first time in India. So as regards the galley equipment, we are the first ones in India to develop for this ATV project, that is Advanced Technology Vessel at Visakhapatnam. It's a nuclear submarine where the entire equipment is supplied by us. Also, the lightweight Almac fabrication items are also being supplied by our company. I'm very happy to say that today we have completed almost 50 ships for their modular galley and accommodation. And we have ongoing projects at 7 locations in India, right from Pipavav, Mumbai, Goa, Cochin, Vizag, and Calcutta. We have completed 20 fast petrol vessels for Cochin shipyard, which is being shown here now. The entire galley as well as the accommodation. This is INS Sujata, where we have supplied the complete accommodation, including the panels. I'm very happy to tell you that we have a collaboration with a German company called Lete to manufacture the fire class sandwich panels for the first time in India. Even today, almost all the public sector undertakings are importing these panels. And we would like to take, with your help, with all these shipyards, if they could try and buy from us. These are some of the pictures which we have been executing. These are the accommodation areas, which are the bunk beds, 2-tier, 3-tier, which are in-house manufactured. This is the complete galley equipment which we have supplied to Mazgaon Docks for their frigate project.
If I may interfere.
Yeah.
Yes, the nuances of this is a little hard to understand. All of you have seen kitchens in the house or in a hotel which doesn't move. But this is a kitchen which moves on the sea.
Yeah.
So
So
if
you
you
have the rolling pitching and all other aspects of that. Yeah. So in fact, this is the one which we have supplied for all the 3 frigates of the P-17 project at Masgaon. This is the indigenized cooking range. One is for the nuclear submarine as well as for the frigates. These are the deep fat fryers and other projects. And I'm glad to inform you that we have also bagged an order for the indigenous aircraft carrier being built at Cochin Shipyard, which is being, supplied in the year 2017. Some of the, the lightweight furniture items which go on board, these are what we call the honeycomb panels. Furniture with honeycomb panels, which makes it very light for the fast petrol vessels and the interceptors, which has a speed of almost 35 knots. These are the type of furniture. It looks like wood, but it is aluminium and with honeycomb inside. Thank you for your this.